Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. First, my name is Yuniar Mayangsari, with registration number 2030104068. I'm from class T BA4C, and today I will present my mini proposal entitled Student Perception about Increasing Vocabulary Mastery in Reading by Using Extensive Reading. Introduction. English as an international language is an important language to be mastered, both written and spoken. By mastering English, it can make it easier to get a job. Both in the field education and non-education, English has four soft skills that must be mastered without burdening. And the most important factor, education, is the ability to read and understand the text critically. Uh, Hettinger, 2016. It is a fact that with reading, students will grasp new information that allows them an opportunity to expand their knowledge. Um, on learning English, student is expected to be able to master English skills, listen, talking, read, and write. It was based on the purpose from the teach English and make good use of English, the vocabulary, one of most grave skills in using that language. Learners in the vocabulary will successfully express their ideas in speaking, writing, reading, and listening. And the study aims to determine students' perception of increasing vocabulary mastery in using extensive reading. B. Review of related literature. 1. Vocabulary mastery. Definition: Vocabulary mastery. Vocabulary is positively related to higher status of caption. Uh, According to Marzano, 2004, as cited in Zweer, 2008, it can be said that vocabulary acquisition is necessary to academic, social, and professional success. And according to vocabulary is learned incidentally from reading, at least to some extent, but there are still large gaps in our knowledge of this in learning and authentic extensive reading. And according to Sue Okekwen, 2008, mentioned that vocabulary acquisition occurs chiefly through spoken input in child first language learning. Lexical acquisition has usually been assumed to default natural as children grow older, with no explicit instruction needed. And writer conclude that vocabulary a collection of several words that are combined so that they have meaning or meaning. B. The importance of vocabulary. Vocabulary is one of the important elements in learning English. Without knowledge of vocabulary, students are not able to speak well in English. The student cannot deliver or receive messages effectively. Uh, Vocabulary is a list of words, and every word has its own meaning according to Maya Masita 2012. And vocabulary is the basic element in the learning English. It becomes the important factor in the four skills. They are in reading, listening, writing, and speaking, according to Nita Nurul Hidayah Aprilia Ariana Putri. This is the importance of vocabulary according to Alba, Sullivan, and Alba. Nothing can be done without the vocabulary. It is the basis communication, such as argument, was strength, hint, best, the Malibir, and Farahani. saying that the vocabulary is commonly recognized as the main communication tool. What language users employ in expressing their feelings, ideas, and opinions, a manifestation of the human mind is the vocabulary. And writers conclude that the importance of vocabulary or robust vocabulary improves all areas of communication, listening, speaking, reading, and writing. Vocabulary growth is directly related to such school achievement. See, types of vocabulary. An account for the vocabulary types is important. It is in order to have a better understanding of how to teach them effectively according to context, learners, learning style, and preference and needs. The 12 known categories are receptive and productive vocabulary and active and passive vocabulary. And writers conclude that vocabulary refers to the words we must understand to communicate effectively. Educators often consider four types of vocabulary: listening, speaking, reading, and writing. Listening vocabulary refers to the words we need to know to understand what we hear. 2. Extensive reading. Definition First definition extensive reading. Uh, Extensive reading is defined as reading that exposes learners to large quantities of material within their linguistic competence, according to Grabe and Stoller. Such reading material is available from publishers like Cambridge, Bing and Oxford, and others that have produced hundreds of simplified books, fiction and non-fiction. This is the any definition extensive reading by Jiren Liu and Norbert Smith, Maria Pigada. And this is the definition extensive reading from writer. Writer conclude that extensive reading is an activity to read long text with interesting content and easy to read word. Extensive reading is also said to be one of the alternative models of foreign language learning, which is believed. It has been proven in various studies to accelerate the language learning process. The concept study house an extensive reading approach with new tendencies in the world of teaching English. And next, the principle of extensive reading. According to Haunation method, that there are three major principles justifying the inclusion of extensive reading in a language learning program, namely the principles of learning condition, the first range, and cost or benefit. 1. Learning condition. Vocabulary learning occurs because certain mental conditions are created which encourage learning. Essentially, vocabulary learning depends on the number of meetings with each word and the quality of attention in each meeting. And 2. The first range. The principle of the first range says that a well-balanced language course should involve equal amount of learning through comprehensible listening and reading input, learning through pursued spoken and writing output. And C. Cost or benefit analysis. The benefit principle says that time spent on activities should be justified by the learning benefits it brings. In other words, if just under 1/4 of the course time is spent on extensive reading, what is evident is that it results in substantial learning. The classic study on learning from extensive reading is the book Fluid Experiment in Fiji by Ailey and Mangubai. and and sorry and And the principle of translating include at anticipating a program as a part of your language course. Make sure that learners spend enough time each week on extensive reading, either around 3 of the total course time or better still enough time to meet the words of that they need to learn. Next, see the importance of extensive reading. According to Sheila Maida Arafah, the important point of extensive reading is generally large quantitative materials with the aim of getting general understanding and obtaining pleasure from the text. And according to Agatha Cynthia de Asmara, it has become increasingly apparent that teachers must enable students to learn and acquire a lexical base in order to achieve success in language in general and reading in particular. In 3, review of relevant studies. Extensive reading is an activity to read long text with interesting content and easy to reach words. Extensive reading is also said to be one of the alternative models of foreign language learning, which is believed it has been proven in various studies to accelerate the language learning process. The concept study shows an extensive reading approach with new tendencies in the world of teaching English. This is the the review oral studies. The principle of extensive reading include an extensive reading program as part of your language course. Make sure that learners spend enough time. C. Methods. Um, Research type and design. This research is also called with a survey research, and the purpose of study is to know the perception of English teaching department at IAIN Batu Sangkar about increasing vocabulary mastery by using extensive reading. And population sample. This research will take the fourth semester student of English teaching department at IAIN Batu Sangkar registered in 2012-2021 academic year. The data population 61 students that are divided into 3 classes, namely A, B, C. Because of the population was too large, it was way too hard to list them one by one or drawing a sample. The technique one used is random sampling. Each member has the opportunity to be selected as a sample before conducting random sampling. 3. Data and instrumentation. This research obtained valid data and answered the risk equation. The researcher used questionnaire. Questionnaire was used in this research to collect the data. The questionnaire consists of 20 statements. The questionnaire was used to investigate the student perception about increasing vocabulary mastery by using extensive reading. And research procedures. The the 3 class of students had been taken and sample that been given the questionnaire. The questionnaire consists of 20 statements. Techniques of data analysis. To analyze and interpret the data obtained from the questionnaire, the research uses simple formula. And this is the pertanyaan tentang questionnaire. Uh, that's all for explain mini proposal. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.